It's worth knowing Jesus Christ more than anybody. Anything in the world. Definitely we are going to lose the worldly things. Definitely I might lose my life. But knowing Jesus Christ, I knew I'm going to be persecuted in this world. But definitely I'm going to get a gift that Jesus Christ is giving for me. Our sister was persecuted. I raised this particular, our sister who was captured in jail on the floor of the house. We shouted, but my microphone was seized. My microphone was blocked. It was stopped. That's why we can expect lots kind of a persecutions in any way. If they can do it inside the Lok Sabha, inside on the floor of the house, why can't they do so? As a Christian, we should not fear of this small petty persecution. As a Christian, we should be more strong.